Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan. And today, yeah, we got another unboxing video. Alrighty, guys, so yes, as you can see, we have quite a bit of infrared 4s. As you guys can see, we got a size 12, size 11.5, and another size 12. So yes, guys, I was actually able to hit on a few pairs of these things. I was actually able to hit on DTLR for an in-store pickup, as well as where else did I get these things? I got them off of JD Sports, exclusive access, and also actually, yeah, JD Sports twice. I hit JD Sports exclusive access and then JD Sports when they launched. During the day, I got through a queue actually really quickly, and boom, was able to snag another pair. Alrighty, guys, so as for the shoe, yes, we have that infrared Jordan 4 box. I really am digging what they're doing with these boxes lately. It's always like a special box now for almost every release. It's really dope, especially since, you know, the price increase on these things. It's nice to see that they're paying just a little bit closer attention to detail now. But as we always do, like I said, I got 3 pairs of these things, but this one right here we're going to be looking at is a size 12. Alright, guys, so yeah, as for this, I know, like I said, I got 3 pairs, but just for reference, this is going to be the size 12. Label reads Airjordan 4 Retro, dark gray, infrared 23, and black. So as for the shoes, let's get right into it. Like I said, that, you know, special, almost premium box. You got that infrared 23 right on the inside of the box. And bada boom, bada bang, we got the shoes. So yeah, guys, let's dive right into these things. Like I said, size 12. I got 2 size 12s, 1 size 11.5. And just so you guys know, these shoes are going to be for sale. Yes, that's right. I am reselling these things. They're going to be up on my eBay. I will link the description down below. So if you guys are interested and want to purchase a pair, I'm not robbing people out here. I'll leave that down below, and you guys can head over. And if you're interested, cop a pair of shoes. Ladies and gentlemen, so let's get right into this pair of shoes. As you can see on the little mud guard right here, we got this nubuck or durabuck all along the entire upper. We got that lighter gray along the mud guard. Toe box, we got that darker gray. Going up along, we got the black laces, the black mesh netting, which I'm actually happy they went with black here instead of, like, you know, the infrared color. It's a little bit more subdued, a little bit more cleaner colorway to go with a lot more, you know, fits and stuff like that. Going to the tongue, we got that black patch with the white flight lettering, and also that infrared 23 red Jumpman. As far as inside the tongue, you got that, like I said, that infrared 23 again with the Airjordan upside down tag. On the back heel tab, we got that black tab with the light gray Jumpman right there. Focus up, there we go, perfect. As you can see, it's actually kind of a thicker cut nubuck as well. As you can see, down here we got that black painted midsole along with the white, I guess this is like the outsole wrap, you know, right here, the little peak that wraps up onto the midsole. White outsole as well as the gray in the back, and you got that hit of infrared 23 as well as the infrared 23 on the Jumpman. So overall, guys, this is actually a super clean pair of shoes. I'm actually debating on whether or not to sell all 3. I may keep a pair for myself. I'm not entirely sure yet. I just don't know if I will wear these things. It's a super clean colorway. Don't get me wrong. It's just I don't know, man. There's something about it. I don't know, you know, if I would rock these all the time or not. But like I said, it's a super clean pair of shoes. If you guys are interested, that eBay link will be down below in the description. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about these things down below in the comments section. If you're gonna, you know, maybe interested, maybe if you want to cop from me, if you're gonna look, if you guys did cop, or if you're looking on the aftermarket to pick up a pair for yourself. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure you smash that like button. Also, if you are new around here, hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you never miss another one of my videos. And that's going to do it for me, guys. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.